this very crucial period, we are organizing is a very top leadership programs, because we are discussing a lot of things, and the whole agenda is we are discussing about how to develop the leaderships within the इन लीडर्स के अंदर में कैसे हमें एनहांस कर सकते हैं कि वेरी टॉप लीडरशिप्स कैसे हमें बनाएंगे और राइट स्ट्रेटेजी के साथ कैसे प्रॉपर माइंडसेट होगा. तो along with how you create an overcoming personality, along with a very resiliency powers, कि you can come back setback to come back, and right alignment, we can create a pure environments, and along with a lot of nut and bolts हमें डिस्कशन होगा. बट आज सब कुछ हमारा मेंटर ही आप सिखाएंगे. अभी 2-3 घंटा जो भी प्रोग्राम उनको लेंगे. अभी ऑलमोस्ट हजारों लोग वहां पे हैं, यूट्यूब में काफी लोग हैं. तो ये is a very learnable session. It is a time to open your notepad, it's a time to open your pen, listen very carefully. It is not a very hanky panky नहीं कि मैं अभी बस switch off हो गया, अभी right now time for the coffee, time for the tea, or time for the थोड़ा snacks. It's not time, it's a time to very listen very sincerely, because इतना एक्सपीरियंस है, 20 साल का एक्सपीरियंस निचोड़ा हुआ चीज आपको देंगे. तो इट इज एन ट्रू टाइम्स. और जितने भी लोग हैं, मैं सिंश्योर प्लैटिनम को थोड़ा मैं रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ, जो लोग आपकी टीम में आए, आई एम नॉट टेकिंग कि ये किसकी ग्रुप है, बट इट इज एन ट्रू लीडरशिप. अभी देखिए, अभी भी लोग अपना रीनेम, उन्होंने आपका नाम, शुभ नाम उन्होंने नहीं दिए हैं अभी तक. और मैं चाहता हूँ काफी लोग अभी वीडियो ओपन करके बैठे हैं. आई डोंट नो अंडरस्टैंड कि आपको अभी सुनना है अभी और देखना है मेंटर्स को कि वो आपको सिखाएंगे कैसे आपकी जिंदगी में आपकी बड़ा बिजनेस, हाउ यू एनहांस योर बिगर बिजनेस देन एनीवन. तो इट्स अ ग्रेट टाइम्स. तो लिसन वेरी केयरफुली. तो ऑलमोस्ट वी हैव बीन 10-15 मिनट थोड़ा लेट हो गया, बट इट्स अ ग्रेट टाइम्स. तो ओवर टू भाईना. थैंक यू भाईना.
थैंक यू ज्ञानो.
Thank you.
Welcome to all the leadership of WRBT. So today this meeting will change the direction of the entire business of Odisha. Because most welcome and congratulations to all the achievers beyond BBA here. Today you will have the right direction how to grow the business and to complete the diamondship in August 25. This entire meeting goal is to how to go diamond August 25. So it is not a time-bound business, it is all about decision-bound. The day you take it at the starting point. Today you force each and everyone in this meeting will take a decision to go diamonds in August 25, irrespective of what is their structure, or what is their pin, everything forget. Today is the starting point. Every day is a great new starting point to build it and grow ahead. So this is the preparation stage, because September 20 will be coming after 2 months, 2.5 months. So now you have to ready to gain the momentum in September 2020. Okay. So again, WRBT is best with all the mega leaders around India. So I congratulate and immense leadership of Gyanaranjan and Manuswini, founder CDC. They are going camp by August 25. They have the immense leadership and the man of vision, man of gods, going big way and creating the right environment across WRBT and the business of Odisha and the business of India. And he is also part of the global business. So again, I congratulate and welcome Dr. Bhagavat Behera and Sanjukta Barik. They are the bulldozer of Odisha diamonds and going calm. And we have been working together since 20 years. So we have seen lot of time. We have seen up down of the business, but still we joined our hand to grow together. So my heartfelt congratulations to Bhagavat Bhai and Sanjukta Madam. Again, congratulations and salute to the great leadership of Western Odisha, Bhavani and Santoshini, first diamond of Western Odisha, and they broke the barrier in that place. It is happening in the remote area, if they can, everybody can aspire to go beyond diamonds. So it is really WR is blessed having such leadership of the Western Odisha. And there are also diamonds going EDC, double diamond going in the right way. And they are a very tight team. And next is Manoj and Jogomaya. They are the great diamond couple. And they are enjoying the freedom and growing big way. They left the lucrative job of government of India and they are adding values to this WRBT. We congratulate and welcome to the leadership of this couple, Manoj and Jogomaya. You see, WRBT is flooded with leaders. We know everything. Again, I am congratulating, welcome the bulldozer of Orissa, Mr. K.C. Rai and Manorama. They are the founder emeralds. And the good news, they are going diamonds in August 21. Everything is set, going big way. And by August 25, they are also beyond crown ambassadors. Because that potential energy they have already gained. This business is two-part, growing within, then going outside. These leaders, they have grown beyond crown ambassador, but process is there to complete the crown ambassador. Then Pradeep Vishwal and Tilotama, they are the greatest example in the state of Orissa. Founders Emerald going diamonds. They have the business across the India, starting from Delhi, Indore, Punjab. So really, we feel proud for this couple every time. Then Pankaj and Hemalini, they are also founders Emerald from Baleshwar. So next diamond from Baleshwar, Pankaj and Hemalini. They are the growing leadership. They have the immense potential to grow, and they are the leaders time of crisis, and they are the big pillar of the WRBT to give the right direction to grow the business. And Jasmeet Singh and Gurvinder, they are also founder Emerald. They have the big time. They are also going diamonds in August 22 because they have the solid foundation, and August 25 they are crown couples and they have been growing inside and outside. They are the tremendous leadership they have been developing across India. They have the biggest business all over the India. And all the emeralds going diamonds, starting from Bhavani Shankar Nanda and Reena Nanda, everybody is growing big time. You see, this business is all about growing one step to another steps. So next couple is Chitras and Sagarika. They are also guest young couple. They are growing big way. They are also diamonds in August 22. And the youngest young icon Rajendra Mishra, emerald from Bhadrak. So they are the greatest example for U35. We were in same boat in the Goa when Dog Divorce was there. That was the U35 meeting when I was the mentor to Goa. So he represented Orissa along with the other leaders of Platinum and founders Platinum. Young leaders going big way. So then is Somnath Shah from Keonjhar. He is also going big way. In the meantime, he married. Now 1 + 1 is 101. Both are growing in the big way. So really, we are feeling proud and we are feeling secure that they are the pilot for the WRBT. Because they are growing the business in the right direction. Then Prakash Kumar and Annapurna Tripathi from Karanjia, the greatest couple made for each other. They are going big way and developing the leadership. And they have also goal to go complete the diamondship by August 22. You see, all the emeralds, they have a goal. Definitely, they are not only diamonds, they are the diamonds producer. August 25, everybody has the minimum 10 diamonds in their group. And 22, everybody is going, completing their diamondship. And Rupak and Subhasri, they are also a great couple. Amitabh Bachchan in our team, man of gods, building the business remote area, starting from Nabarangpur, Jaipur. Really, they have also business and growing big way. And Satyavrata Pradhan, he is the greatest example how to build a business in the rural sector in spite of rural team. He's been growing. Now this, you see, the business started with you, but subsequently it will be spread all over India. Now he has the business across the India and the growing big way, Satyapradhan. And he has also goal to go diamonds in August 22. And Dr. K.C. Behera, young man in our team, going big way, and always excited couple, they're going big way, and Dr. Manna. You see, all the emeralds, They are going big ways. They have completed the halfway of their diamond shape, and their fingertips they are going diamonds. And again, I congratulate all sapphires, all founders platinum, silver, and BBI present in this meeting, presenting this meeting. The presence of each and every leadership working together, it is a proud for WRBT, because we are adding values to each other, going one phase to another phase. So today we have a meeting, mainly you organize yourself. Today is the day of organize. Today day of right direction to complete your diamond shape. In spite of this challenging time, today is the day. So BBI leadership, the next BBI leadership means they are focused to go platinum. So today my focus is all the leadership starting from BBI here are going beyond platinum by August 21. That's the goal today. Every leadership talk, every basic talk, it connect to the August 21 beyond platinum. So you see, in spite of these challenges, COVID-19, each and everybody is affected in their business. I know it. It is all over the global scenario. It is not in India. It is not in China. It is all about the global scenario, because it is the global pandemic situation. But you know, as a leaders, how you bounce back to grow your business and fix it. Today you have to bounce back with full of belief, full of energy, full of enthusiasm. Tomorrow is a different day for each and every one. Irrespective of the pin where you are, today we will give a roadmap. Each and every leaders BBI here, they have belief and faith. Yes, they can grow big way. So we have designed in such a way. So today I do not use the PowerPoint, but I can hearts from your speech, heart to heart. So I can give my wisdom so that it goes to your heart. Although we are speaking from together, home to home, heart to heart in this situation through Zoom meeting. So you see, the BBI leadership is all about, it is the multiplication stage. There is two stages. One is the addition stage, another is the multiplication stage. Once you attend the BBI with the right structure, we will discuss about the structure. So you are in multiplication stage. Means now your business started multiplying, because there are two stages of the business, addition stage and multiply stage. So in additional stage, the leader is everything. If he is showing plan, the team is showing plan. If he is showing demo, team is showing demo. If he is going on leave, the team is going on leave. But in this BBI stage, so they have the business in multiplication stage. So from this stage, you go ahead. August 21 is the platinum. August 22 is the found platinum. August 23 is the beyond emerald. And August 25 is the beyond diamonds. If you take everything snots balls today and implementing 5 points I have to discuss with consistency and persistency. So just like you have a GPS system with you. You see, when you have a GPS system with a vehicle, it means that vehicle has the destination. Once you have a GPS and fix the GPS, once I know where is my destination, I fit the GPS in my vehicle. Then it shows me the way, where to go, how to go, and land at the destination. In spite of this traffic jam, we will take the diversion. So today we will give a GPS to each and every one beyond BBI leaders. That GPS system will take you to the path by August 25, you are beyond diamonds. The GPS is fixed with that destination. So through this path, you will have the hurdles, you will have the challenges, it will come. But once the destination is fixed and GPS fixed, you simply drive the vehicle and you go one step to another system. So you see, this business, I always, going diamond is all two things, the BBI leadership. It is all about mindset and skill set. In the meantime, we set our skill. I also set my skill since 20 years because it is a skill-driven business. But the most important is mindset. If anybody has the excellent skill set, but without mindset, it is fruitless. Today we will discuss what should be your mindset and what should be the skill set and how you synchronize your mindset with the skill set so that you can go in non-stop above. With that GPS system, one place to another place. That is the most important. Because today my goal is to pour my heart and I shall pour my 20 years of experience. Because we have seen a lot of hurdles, lots of ups and downs of the business. So essence of the business I shall put before you, which you can feel, yes, I can. Why? Whatever your mind can conceive and believe, it can be achieved. And I forced each and every one. Definitely they feel it is possible for me. I can go ahead. You see, the skill set, what is the right skill set? We are setting skill of the people. Because, you see, skill can be developed. That's why, irrespective of the background, people across the globe, they have been succeeding in the business. Irrespective of the background. What the education, what the background, what's the age, nothing matters. Skill can be developed. It is just like muscles. If you think start muscles, start exercise, if you think muscles will come tomorrow, it will not happen like this. But definitely keep on doing exercise, your muscles will come after 1 year, 2 years. Exactly. When you work with the persistency, with the system, with the right environment, with your LOS, with the WRBT vision, you have a very specific vision. Now WRBT is playing the second phase of the second innings cricket or second half of the football team. Because now each and everyone with us, we have been playing with the winning mindset. Whatever it takes, we will go diamond by August 24 and break that barrier going the world record. This is the second phase and the final game we are going out. So that we can be present day 70 more than 200 diamonds, including U35s, for which we have been working with the different forum with the U35 because they are the icon in our team. So skill can be developed. So we have to invest for time. We need people skill. That's true. So once you are in the BBI stage, you should realize few books at least you should complete in the by this time. Skill of people, how to deal with people, how to win friends and influence people. You see, all the books when you can go through, simply one message you get, I can be replaced by we. We is the very powerful word in building organization. We believe in you. You bound to believe each and every one. We have trust with each and every one. On your growth, we grow, and together, we can having the common goal, breaking the world record. We. That's the most, and the technique, you have to go through these books again. Then the selling skill, there are different books, communication skills, leadership skills, develop the right attitude when we go to the magical thinking big, how to build dreams and goals. Today, my focus, each and everyone must be expertise to have the GPS system with you. That is the goal setting. In 20 years of my journey, I know anybody who exports in goal settings, they are going big way. This business is all about setting goals and hitting goals. When I was in Melbourne, there is a Chinese couple in India. They went to diamond in 1.5 years. I discussed with them how you made it happen in India, being a unknown person in China. And that couple told me, Mr. Mahanti, nothing is impossible. Our strategy work on goals with fire. When you start working with goals with fire, with passion, with enthusiasm, everything is solved. Without goal setting, nobody can succeed in the business. It is just like a GPS system. If you have a car, you have a GPS on, you do not on your GPS and going inside the car and roaming here and there, then you are having the entertainment inside the car. So once you fix the GPS with the destination, you have the direction. Today, my goal, each and every person here, they develop the right knowledge how to set goals and build dreams. As a BBI leaders, there is no excuse. You have to have learned dream building and goal setting. If you ask me, Raina, what is your secret growing big way? I am expert in dream building and goal setting. So this is the today we'll discuss in details how to build dreams and goals. Then how to build this team. Team means structure. Today you will highlight structure. You see, today is the day of fixing. You may in a position of emerald or you may be a position of founder platinum. What is your structure? Forget it, but you fix it today. And you should have focus. Change your structure. Change your structure. PV is the byproduct. PV is automatic. Huge PV will come when you work on goals. Goals will give everything. Because once you have a goals, then the plan, you can change your plans. A, B, C, D. There are different plans, momentum plans, promotional products plan, system. A lot of things you will discuss on that. And building customer community. That is the most important. Now this business is the customer-centric business. So we have to develop as a leader how to different type of customers community, offline and online. We'll discuss it. Offline and online. So our first goal to go BBI to platinum by August 21, irrespective of field. So where you can fix it, your structure, put the GPS in system. You may be in BBI, you may be silver, you may be platinum. You may drop your pin, business has come up and down because you are dealing with the people, dealing with the product, dealing with the situations. Lot of things are coming beyond our control. When I went to EDC, the situation was beyond our control. Lot of products was TNA due to FSI issue. Still in that juncture, we could complete. Why? We are totally focused. So in this journey, while as an entrepreneur, where you are going with the GPS one place to another place, one goal to another goal, situation will come. Why? You are dealing with the people, dealing with the products, so dealing with the unseen situation like Corona. It was unseen. But we never drop our attitude. Attitude will determine your altitude. When the situation was, we always shouted, we are diamonds, we are going crown ambassadors. Never ever drop the attitude. That's the entire theme of the journey. Never ever drop your attitude. Your income may come down, your business will up and down, but never ever drop your attitude. Your attitude should grow in upward direction till Crown Ambassador. That's the goal. So forget what your position, I don't know. You may be 1 leg, you may be 1.5 leg. With excitement, I want BBI. With excitement, I completed my platinum. Everybody has gone through that. You see, in platinum stage, my income was come to 3,000 rupees when I was at Baleshwar. 1 leg 18% achieved. Due to some official engagement, I could not focus, so that 7,800 it was completed. 3,000. Again, with the right mentorship, we have been growing. It means the complete message is we are in the business of ups and downs, but we should have the growth mentality with growth attitude, keeping focus your destination. Success starts, end in destination. Today we fix the milestone in such a place where each and everyone, irrespective of the position, now where they are, I don't know. They may be, you may be silver, your pin may be come down to 12%, 11%, forget. So in this month, you fit your GPS as a BFI with 3 growing legs. That's the month of June. Your first leg, 600 points, P2, 300 points, P3, 200 points, and personal, more than 100 points. That is the starting point. Where each and every one sitting in the Zoom meeting, they have a belief, yes, I can achieve this BFI. That is my launching pad, where I can launch my rocket from this pad to upward direction. Again, in the month of July, first leg 800, second leg is 400, 300, fourth leg is 100. Your total PV is 1800. Don't hurry. Set your skill. Set your mind. Mindset is going diamonds. That's right. But mindset we will discuss in detail. So in the month of August, P1 leg, BFI, 1200 points. You please write it. If you do not understand, you can ring me. You can talk with your platinums. This is the starting point today. BFI. Because you know how to show the plan. Because you are a BA, BBI, silver, platinum achievers. You know how to show demo. You know everything. But the only transition, so 50-50 we are now doing. Offline 50, online 50. That's right. So that is the mechanics. So in August, 1200, 600, 400, 100, 100. You see, structure moves. It is not PV. In the month of September, you have to have with the 6 growing legs, 3000 PV. 1600, 800, 600, 200, 100, and 50. Fix it. Start from BFI, irrespective of your goal. Those are in the bigger goal, okay, they fix in between. Fixing the structure, it is not the fixing the PV. I mean, fix the structure. Change the structure. Structure is the solution for every situation in a business or in direct selling industry. Structure means profitability. Structure means width and depth. Structure means balanced business, one point to another point. So in October, each and everyone sitting, reset, we are going to BBI. 2,400, 1,200, 800, 400, 200, 200. Structure is set with 6 legs. Magic starts. In January, it will grow, you are qualifying as silver. Or those are in silver, they fell down, again they recover it. So that point, P1 5,000, P2 3,000, 2,600, 400, 200. Structure is set. And in this structure, you have the income 1 lakh. Then once you become the January, silver, January, February, March, April, May, June, platinum. There will be no drop. Why? We should understand what is the growing legs. Because we fit your structure, you work with the depth, so it will not fall down. So by June, you are going platinum. Each and every one sitting here beyond BBI. Your starting point is BFI. BFI means with the right growing legs. Your PV is growing, team is growing, structure is growing, system is growing, duplication is growing. The definition of growing legs. It is not about PV. Growing legs means that organization at least 20 to 30% PV growth is there month after month. Team size will grow 20 to 30% with the new joining and activation, and system numbers must grow. System numbers. Then the numbers of duplicator must grow. That's your growing leg. Once you are working with the growing legs, it will be easier because then by June, by August, this month you are going platinum. Today's goal, each and every one, going beyond platinum by August 21. And the GPS starting point is BFI. And what is the expertise you have to develop, we have to now discuss. And I know each and everyone sitting here, this is believable, achievable, and everybody can do it. Because we have fixed the launching pad in such a platform, everybody can grow. So somebody may say, Bhaina, my first group is 5,000, second group is 1,000. Okay, fix the structure. Have the right game plan, counseling, fixing. Change your structure with the growth mentality. Fix it. Believe and achieve. And this is the most believable pen. From that point, you have to bounce back and to grow. This is the bounce back point. Bounce back. I was in 30,000 points. Now it has come down 7,000. No worry. Every day is a starting point. It was a testing period by God. Today is the day of bounce back. We have also set our goals accordingly. Because situation out of control. I am an entrepreneur. I have to complete my race. No competition with anybody. I reset my goal and I have been growing big way. GPS is fit, growing big way. Step by step we can grow. And I believe each and everyone in this meeting beyond BBI, they have the belief, yes, in the month of June, I can succeed beyond BFI structure. And the leadership beyond BBI, silver, those are, they have to help their teammates how to go BFI and BBI. So this is the structure you have to grow. Then, where from you start? Today we can discuss the 5 points, wrap up with 5 points. There we'll have the leadership talk, everything, because we are in the business of duplication. We have to duplicate it. Today we'll discuss the 5 things because you have had a lot of leadership talk from your leaders, leaders starting from all diamonds, founder CDC. You must develop your wisdom through them, because today we reconcile everything with the five things. We'll discuss the 5 principles. Your goal is understand and implement persistently, consistently, till beyond diamonds or beyond crown ambassador. Very simple. Everybody can believe, yes, I can do it. After this meeting, Zoom meeting, you flooded with a belief. If you believe, you achieve. Itna simple thing, I can do it. Itna simple thing, I can duplicate it. Make it simple, keep it simple, grow it simple. Never ever make it complicated. Your goal, your teammates must love, must understand, catch your thought process. You can transfer your skill set. You can transfer your mindset. Everything, step by step. So we'll think of the 5 things. And first thing, you set your mind, I have to work just like my profession, persistently, consistently. It may be 4 hours, it may be 5 hours. It is, and your priority, when you, this stage, you have the clarity, you have the vision, everything you have, you know the direction. Silver income this much, platinum income this much, emerald income this much. I need not tell everything to you because you know it. Core plus, how much it will give you. That core plus table is there, core plus plan. So today, your priority from today, it is a mentally, first is God, then mentally you. You means your habits. Your habits means 1, 2, 3, 4. God, next is my habits, 1, 2, 3, 4. Third is family, 4th is present profession, then the socialism and everything. Your goal is to focus habits. Change your habits, change your destination. That's the principle of success. Since 20 years, I have been focusing my habits because the principle of success is fix who you are. You attract the same type of people. You change your habits, you change your destination. Your change of destination is a freedom. First change of destination is platinum, emerald is the freedom, then the lifestyle. Change your habits. Change your destination. This success formula 1, 2, 3, 4, it is for co-review. Co-review. So that is the number 1 principle. Focus and set priority or habits. And give priority next to God. Every night you see yourself, because you are the person. You are going diamonds. The situation is in your favor, finance is in your favor, friendship is in your favor, everything is in your favor. My dear friends, all the factors are minus. The major factor is you. The major factor is your habits. Your habits. Today is the day you have to promise yourself, yes, I am accountable for my habits. Why? Because you have to manage your time. This business only needs time management, nothing else. Get 3 to 4 hours every day, persistently, constantly, do it. Time management, 24 hours is same for everyone. It is for you, it is for me, it is for Prime Minister of India, it is for the President of USA. Time management you should keep in the mind. You see, by default, life is busy. By default, life is busy. ଏବେ କୁଆର ପୁନେଇ ଗଲା ଦଶରା ଆସିବ, ଦଶରା ଗଲା ଦୁର୍ଗା, Lakshmi Puja asyo. Lakshmi Puja gala bahaghar asyo. Life is busy, man. Even though those are in village, life is busy. They are playing with the playing cards. By default, life is busy. Out of that, you have to prioritize your time 3 to 4 hours. Put 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the principle of success. If you change your habits, you change your character. Your character will take you to new destination. So first principle. Change is not easy. Yes, definitely. But it is easy for us because we know the potential of the business. Every day you review your action 1, 2, 3, 4. Success is in your daily routine. Success, you must be champion every day. Every day it counts. That's the habits. Then habits first. Then second is work on your dreams and goals with success principles. Every day, 15 minutes in the morning. Zero tolerance area. Zero tolerance. Work on your dreams with the principle of success. Work on your goals. 24 hours, your mind bombarded with dreams and goals. Today you will have the clarity, more clarity, what to do. As leaders, because now we lead a team, you should apply the mindset, end result, your emerald, diamond, platinum. So F1 to F8. Everybody knows, because in our team, we implement it very seriously. That's why our team is growing big way in all over India. In spite of the situation, our team is growing 10%. In other team, the business is declining. Still, we have been growing by 10% in Eastern India. Why? Our teammates are dream-driven and goal-oriented person. When they work with the dreams, you see, what's the philosophy? God wants you should succeed. Why? Because we are creating the win-win situation, we are doing the spiritual God's work. Going diamond is a spiritual journey. On your decision, you are impacting, you are changing lakhs of life directly, indirectly. God wants it, man. God is with us. F1 to F8. Power of related photographs. It is a must because you can work with the subconscious. Today you can print it. Today you can divide in a different way. Then is the 3V. We are in the industry of visualization. Verbalize, visualize, vitalize. Then the power of focus, F4. Power of emotion. Emotion will give the motion. Power of passion, impossibility vanishes, which touched your heart. Then the burning desire and purpose. Every day. You see, since 20 years, I always work on my dreams in such a way I vibrate, because this business starts with your dream and with your dream. And dream is the only investment. If you work on your dream, everything is possible. Is it right? So, how do you know you are working with your dreams, F1 to F8? The only question mark, you put a question mark to yourself. Am I positive and excited? If the answer is yes, you are dream-focused and goal-oriented leaders. No situation can change you, because God is with me. Dream-driven. Power of blessings. जदि भगवान आज पचारे माय डियर पंकज व्हाई यू वांट टू गो डायमंड पंकज कौन कहबो बेटा पंकज विल से गॉड आई एम डूइंग योर वर्क्स योर ब्लेसिंग इज रिक्वायर्ड टू गो डायमंड्स आई एम डूइंग योर वर्क्स द विन इन सिचुएशन तथास्तु वेरी सिंपल try to understand the philosophy of the business you are doing the god's work by helping others working and growing others in return you are growing that's the model so today's goal you may apply 8 formula for 15 minutes but my honest request to each and every one your platinum goal or your emerald goal or your founder emerald goal or your diamond goal you put that is the GPRS system and have a photograph why I am going platinum किंबा emerald qualify करिवि कि founder emerald qualify करिवि कि जीबी you put a photograph every day you visualize that photo that is the next step of your success that is maybe platinum emerald in August 2020 रे तमे जोठी कि जीवो ताको दे related photographs तम मारिवार अछि काहे your goal every day you must feel before that photograph yes it is voting for me it may be your car it may be your house it may be your have a photograph and visualize when you get up in the morning go stand up before the photograph baba platinum jauchi this is my car photo feel it it is coming this is the intermediate goal in August 21 platinum car subconscious it reads your photographs nothing diamond is good but August 21 goal you put there it may be car it may be house it may be whatever it may and every day you feel it touch it and grow it everyday work you know the platinum income आगे platinum gold टाको तमे आगे तार गोटे फोटो मारी गिरी कि founder platinum ताको daily feel करो which will give you the energy to work every day then come to the monthly goal no in between I may program it platinum just like my view triple diamond this month goal 11 qualifying growing legs with 15,000 points that's all finish my energy is the triple diamond in August 21 performing that energy is transferred to implement this monthly goal whatever it takes so now in WRBT you are changing the mission statement and we must put the value of your monthly income that you can assess where you are going suppose anybody is going with a BFI this month his simply goal is that what is his statement mission statement thank you God we are a brand new diamond in August 25 thank you God we are a brand new beyond emerald in August 23 thank you God we are beyond platinum in August 21 thank you God we are achieving 1200 points BFI with 3 growing legs having income more than 8,325 who says 8,325 those who calculates it you are a owner you are the entrepreneur you must know your income every month you see that's why that tools is given by Amway those are going BBI is right thank you God we are 4,000 PV BBI achiever with 4 or 5 growing legs with income of 34,680 where from you come he calculates you see the magic Month after month, you grow your income. It is not PV. PV, your subconscious does not understand what is the PV. What is the points? But it understands what's your income. Every month, any level you calculate. This month I have written, thank you God, I am qualifying 11 crowing lakhs with personal 15,000 points, having income of 8.60 lakhs in this month, and I can cross it because I work in every points. I know where money will come. You start from this beginner stage. You see the magic in the business. Start speaking and draw your structure, how the money is being coming, income asking. You draw that structure. Every day it is your work. You start from today, you see what will happen. Every day it is your work. You see, we are a businessman, we are an entrepreneur. After a month, I don't know what is the profit from the first of the day. What counseling I am doing? I am counseling for profit. I am doing the counseling for stability. I am doing the counseling for growth. System number 4. But money motivates the people. It helps you at this situation. If your income barely required is 15,000, plan it. It is in your hand. That key is in your hand. How much you will take, you release it. Because you are the person who can write your own check. Nobody can write, man. You can write your own income every month. And you visualize there, why this income? I am going platinum. Go and stand before your platinum photographs. Don't hesitate, don't put thousands of photographs. Every day, feel it. What are the immediate goal? I don't know. The immediate goal, just like my triple diamond. I may go crown ambassador, but now it is not motivating me. What is my immediate short-term goal is triple diamond. Very simple. Very simple. Draw your structure twice and thrice every day and calculate your profit every moment. Structure cut. Customer structure. What is my customer organization? You see the magic? Change this mission statement pattern. Monthly goal, points, BFI or BBI, numbers of growing lakhs with income. And today, here we are all BBI. I request each and everyone, as an owner, as an entrepreneur, you must see your income is growing beyond 8,000. Why? Minimum goal you have fixed BFI. Next, you will keep next month 10,000. This will it will go. That's important. 2 points. Immediate goal, burning desire goal, photograph, monthly goal. You see, monthly goal is very, very important. Monthly. Every day it counts. Every week it counts. Every 15 days it counts. Your monthly goal. You must aware how much my income for this month. Calculate. See the magic. Draw your structure. How many new joining? Everything you draw it. Everything. Mission statement. You draw this twice a day. Twice a day. And when you are working with the new videos, at least you see, you know how to get it started. I am not impressed much here. We are in the 4 phases of the business. Learning phase. Learning phase means this business nabo varsha time. I mean it is a learning phase. I have given all the details. Products knowledge, system knowledge, networking knowledge, income knowledge, potential. Learning phase. It is a 90 days to 160 days. We will discuss. Then doing phase. Learning phase is doing phase. Tapare asio export phase. Tapare asio duplication phase. It is automatic. It will come. No problem. But as a BBI achievers here, you from today, after this meeting, sit with your mentor and calculate your income. And it should not be below your BFI. That is the launching fare for next year, going platinum. I count each and every one in this Zoom meeting are going beyond platinum when you make yourself disciplined to grow. Finish, give me your discipline. First is important. Work on your goals. Watch your photo. Feel it, vibrate it. You see, subconscious works with your photographs. Don't dilute. This is the principle. Never ever dilute it. And you should work with the pausing and reflecting effect. What is that pausing and reflecting effect? So when I say, thank you God, I am a brand new platinum in August 21, pause it. 12 ଲକ୍ଷ ଇନକମ୍ ଆସିଛି, କ'ଣ କରିବି କ'ଣ ନାହିଁ, ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଗ୍ରୁପଟା କୋଉଠି ଥିବ, ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଗ୍ରୁପ କୋଉଠି ଥିବ, ଥାର୍ଡ ଗ୍ରୁପ, and reflect it. It will conceive your mind in perfect way. This is the very vital tools, pausing and reflecting. Pause everything. Learn how to pause your action. Learn how to pause your income. Learn how to pause how you grow. Learn how to pause. It is all about pausing and reflecting action. I always love to pause. I pause my every pain. I pause keep what is out. So your statement, your feelings, there should be pausing and reflecting effect. Reflection ଆସିବାର ଅଛି. ମୋ ପିଲାଙ୍କ ଭଳି ପଢିବାର ନାହିଁ. ରାମ ଗୋଟିଏ ଭଲ ପିଲା ନୁହେଁ. ରାମ ଗୋଟିଏ ଭଲ ପିଲା, ରାମ କହିଲା ବେଳକୁ ରାମଚନ୍ଦ୍ରଙ୍କ ଫଟୋ ଦେଖାଯାଉଛି. ପଜିଂ ଏଫେକ୍ଟ ମାଇଲି ସେଠି. ବୁଝ? ମୁଁ କହୁଛି I am, thank you God, I am brand new platinum. ପଜିଂ ମାଇଲା ବେଳକୁ P1 ଗୋଟା ଦେଖାଯାଉଛି ମୋର ଗୋଲ୍ଡ 12,000 ପଏଣ୍ଟସ୍. P2 ଟା ଦେଖାଯାଉଛି ସିଲଭର, P3 ଦେଖାଯାଉଛି 3-4,000. ପଜିଂ ମାଇଲା ବେଳକୁ ଏମରାଲ୍ଡ ଭିତରେ ପଶୁଛି. That's the reflection. That's the reflection. Pausing. And my dear friends, any situation you can overcome when you have emotionalized with your dream. What? Corona situation. Any situation you can overcome. Nobody can stop your emotions. Emotion will give you the motion. That's the passion. You have to have emotionalized your dream. This is the time. August 21. This month starts. What is your income? Keep growing, and it will happen. Why? I am writing my structure twice, thrice, 4 times a day. It conceals my mind, and subconscious starts working towards the direction. Because subconscious is the most faithful servant. The way you direct, it works. Karke to dekho. Every day before sleeping, put direction to your subconscious. My dear subconscious, I am sleeping. But this is my version. When I sleep, within 2 minutes, I फटाक निद हो जाए. सबकॉन्शियस को डायरेक्शन दे दे. बाबा कालीर काम तू करेबू, ए मास काम करेबू, मुझे सोइले. सोइला. Learn it. Pausing and reflecting. So, 1, work on your dreams and goals persistently, consistently. Every day 15 minutes with all the mission statements. Why mission statement? You see, mind is just like a lawn. आमे जेमती मॉर्निंग वॉक करूचे गोटे लॉन रे 10 दिन चलला परे से लॉन टिके देखा जाउची 20 दिन करला बळे टिके बाटो खुली जाउची मासे परे पूरा ट्रैक क्रिएट कर दोची सेमिति व्हाट इज योर सक्सेस ट्रैक इन माइंड दैट्स द मिशन स्टेटमेंट एवरी एक्शन आई पुट it will lead to my success tracks towards the diamond's crown of Asha. I am showing the plan, success track re pokaili. Emaso goal re pokaili aramase. I am reading books, success track re podla. Unless you have a success tracks, you cannot grow. Where are you putting? How you will give the direction to your action? Say action for direction kodi jibo. That's the most important. Number 2, habits and work on your dreams and goals. One uparam katha. This is the zero tolerance area. Zero tolerance. Plan na dekhele chalibo. You see, this business all about mind game. They like what the mindset. Our mind calculates 20,000 crores calculation per second. How set it? When I write my structure is written in my subconscious mind every day, 5 times, 4 times. You see the magic? Mindset. Work on your dreams. Visualize. Dita point. As button visualize kali, platinum kali, photo ta visualize kurchi. Our aim is income ta visualize kurchi with growing legs. Is it right? Then 2. 2 is very simple. It is the 953 BIB. That is your goal. Action. 953 BIB. You see, when you analyze all the action, you see, leadership, you must go in deep. Why 9 core steps? As a leader, you must understand, tama business re ke 5,000 pai bi jodi asuchi, work with him, clock in the 9 core steps. He knows I am working for 5,000, but I know he is working for diamond. That is the only thing. It will grow your belief one step to another steps. That was happened with me. 125 टंका आसिला 8 core, बिली बढ़े देला 500 टंका. पुणे 8 core, बिली बढ़े देला 1000 टंका. पुणे 8 core, बिली बढ़े देला 2000 टंका. One step to another steps. That's the power of 9 core steps. It is for everybody. The day you stop 9 core, you stop your belief level to growing further. It is designed in such a powerful way. Such a powerful way. It will control your attitude. ता विषय कोनी है बेटा हमारे पलराज बहुत कथा कही कर ले 9 core रे. Sure, always positive, stay motivated. 9 core. 9 core. That will give you the priority. That will give you the focus. कारण बोही रे तो पढ़ी हो ना. Every day you adding values to yourself. You changing your thought process. This business all about adding values. When you are 9 step, by default you are adding values. Every day, zero tolerance, practice it. Practice it. So 9 core steps. But you start from BIB. As a leader, for beginner, I always speak, you start with your 9 core. Not a pare, tamara strategy was system getting started. We will see how to get started with the people. 9 core is a tools which can grow the teammates where they have the belief for 5,000, but to grow till Crown Ambassador. We have been exercising our faith one level to another level by doing consistently 9 core steps. This is all about working on faith and will. 9 core steps is important. But your goal, be board in bedroom. Every day, you see your bed in bedroom, how your organization it looks, how you put your core leadership, how you have the vision card, how is the personal development segmentation. That we should but you sit with your mentor. That's the most important. यदि बोर्ड इन बेड वगैरह ठिया कि तुमको वाइब्रेशन आसुनी एक्साइटमेंट आसुनी चेक योर पल्स अगेन that is board will speak how my leaders are growing, how I am growing, what books, what CD, what function, what is my vision card. Left right side corner you should have the vision card, diamond, platinum, this month goal, ta tolku personal development goal. Because we are in the business building team developing leadership. Oh boy, podivi, kon podivi, put a right side or tapare put a structure. Structure a red circle, red view. Those are BFI. Try to understand. Then green, getting started. Then the blue, customers. Gandhi Chashma Hada. So your board in bedroom is the most important. It will look how you observe your board in bedroom. It makes a difference in your business. You man, you. Your every circle speaks with you. You have a mutual discussion with board in bedroom personalities. You see, board in bedroom. Then cardinals, 6 cardinals, that's right. 3 cardinals, another 3, they have defined. But the cardinals, at the leadership meeting, I know, never ever hurt to anybody, either by your words or in by posture. Body posture रे भी का hurt करनी. अरे कौतुबी मो है ना बेगिरनी चाहनी खंडवा मार दी पूरा negative चाहनी. No, because we are in the business of blessings. You have no right to hurt to anybody, inside and outside the business. That is the cardinals. If you are hurting somebody, I break the cardinals. System cardinal to achieve, but overall, never break it. Never hurt to anybody. Most important thing, watch your words. Board in bedroom, cardinals. You see, going in bigger stage, the cardinals. Cardinals can make it and break it. That's the cardinals you have to do. Then 3 powers, you know it. The most important power is the spoken word. Speak what you want. Speak what you want. जोटा तमरो परफॉर्म आसुनी ताको कहबा चल कहि चल. Then 9 core steps. What is there? Today we will discuss the productive zone and what should be your mindset on the productive zone. In our business, the productive zone is the customer community and the building team. Customer community. So how I can grow customer community for 300 points? Where I have to focus? In your mind, you might be running 50 जन customer को देखिबी, product को देखिबी, किंबा WhatsApp group को देखिबी, किंबा Google कौन है Instagram रे देखिबी, everything right, but behave like a professionals. If you want to build customer community in terms of health, wellness community, beauty community, or cooking community, or fitness community, you have to invest at least 1 hour per day. Your focus point is 1 hour. That's all. That hour for my customers. Those are doing full time. Your time is focused to 3 hours. You see the magic. Have that commitment. Behave like a professionals. Minus 8 दिन तले customer कथा भाबिथिलु. No. Every day is changing scenario. In this situation, you invest twice of the time earlier you have given. Personal momentum बढ़ेगी, personal circle बढ़ेगी, जो 200 कोचे 400 करेगी. My goal is to maintain the business fast. We made it. फटाफट आसला फटाफट कलु ताकु mechanics सब जानि छथि. You know everything. जेतरा समय बढ़ी जीव घंटे रु 2 घंटा 3 घंटा कोन हो प्रोडक्टिविटी बढ़िबो. तम रेगुलरिटी नहीं, टाइम मैनेजमेंट नहीं, हाँ किन दो. So going platinum this end, your mindset for end result. Mindset means what is the end result for every action. That is your mindset. Mindset माने नुहे डायमंड जीबी क्राउन जीबी. यदि मो mindset करची every action keeping the end result in mind, that is my mindset. My mindset in customer community is 2 hours per day. It will grow. See समय रे मोर कस्टमर कम्युनिटी देखिबी, सब देखिबी, प्रोडक्ट देखिबी, नॉलेज नेबी, ऑनलाइन करेबी, ऑफलाइन करेबी, ऑनलाइन जहा करिया कथा करेबी, जूम रे करेबी, फिक्स 2 hours. And my earnest request to each and everyone, you double that time investment so that you can double your volume. Personal volume बढ़ियो. But then be natural as it is for customers. You can create customers. WhatsApp group, we have got the tremendous result. I got a lot of orders from my friends circle in WhatsApp group. Why? How it has happened? I invested 35 to 45 minutes every day. ବେଶ ସମୟ ଦିଏନି, ଅଧଘଣ୍ଟାରୁ ଘଣ୍ଟାଏ ଦେବି product profile. It is a must, product and profile. So your mindset for a customer community, invest. कौन कोर्ची action ऊपर जाओ, invest 1 to 2 hours every day. And by September, each and every one leadership beyond BBI doing more than 300 to 500 points. Fix it. Fix it. You see, when you are a IT engineer, your time is investment korchi. 8 घंटा जाई कंप्यूटर आगे बसछि. हमर इन्वेस्टमेंट दीटा एरिया रे करिवार अछि. कस्टमर कम्युनिटी टीम बिल्डिंग. बाकी तो घर काम बही पैसा सब पडुछि. System तो अछि. So in that area, you should change your focus point. Your focus point, you take off the central personal care product. It is working for each and everyone irrespective of their income. Central personal care product. Lister, Persona brush, Persona soap, Persona powder, coconut oil. These are central care. Everybody can take. If I can have 5 or 50 central personal care or central home care products, my circle is 500. Baki immunity missing both as online, offline. So your goals from today as a leader, invest minimum 1 hour. Minimum 1 hour. I don't know when you invest. Ratire karibo ki, kharabale karibo ki, sakale karibo ki, pahatare karibo, it is your choice. But start investing 1 hour for customer community consistently so that you can enhance our personal building block and we can grow our momentum. When you are working with the customer, you should have a vision. Yes, this customer can come into my business in future and he is going platinum. But you feel that. And second focus area, 555. 555. What is your mindset? Building organization, what should be your mindset? And what is my mindset? That end result is 5 getting started. That's true. But my mindset is beyond 100 conversation per month. That's all. 100 conversation per month. Take a decision. That's the end result of the mindset. Am I talking with new people every day? Back to basics, man. Back to basics. Every day, every month. But their entire goal, 100 conversation per month. That's all. That will create your customer. That will create your builders. Because that is the toughest thing in our business. You made invitation bolo. आजकल हम कन्वर्सेशन करू से कोरोना विषय कन्वर्सेशन करू जहा करू कन्वर्सेशन as a leader going platinum by August 21 you must have 100 conversation per month. You have that tools to track it. People are waiting, man. 27,000 engineers are passing every year from state of Orissa. Focus it. 100 conversation per month. You see the magic. Focus 1 hour. Customer community 1 hour every day. Here I focus 100 conversation per month. And I must know what is my rate of joining, rate of activation. It may be 100 to adhika, I don't know. 80-20 rules काम कर तमरा 100 रे 5 आसीबे कि केते आसीबे you sit with your mentor. This way it go. Today the biggest decision you take the end result. That's the mindset for building a team. Biggest decision to go Crown Ambassador. 100 new conversation either width or at depth. Why? You see, you have broke that barrier. You can talk with him in Delhi, talk with him in the Punjab, talk with the Bangalore. Start it. Start it. It is all about bringing the new people in the team. Your goal is 200 conversation. Nothing doing. Maina 20 तारिख बेलू होइछि 20 टा. Very good. 10 दिन अछि 80 टा करिवे. That's the minimum goal you should have. That's the goal. 100 conversation per month, minimum. Start conversation. I want you should practice it. आमको बर्तमान 1, 2, 3, 4 को practice रे पकेबार अछि. Practice. This is the productive zone. एठू माल आसीबो तेनु productive zone ऊपर more practice. When you keep doing practice, your value will grow. We have been doing practice in 20 years. That's why our value has grows. Nothing. There is a small story in New York. One painter was there. Se painter is a very world-class paint करे. जने billionaire lady आसिले से painter आगे कहले, can you paint me, mister? से तो paint करेगी ना छवि टाउ दे देला. In 30 seconds he completed. Then that lady asked, oh, what's the price? Painter told, this is only in Indian currency, it is only 30 lakhs, madam. He surprised. What? 30 lakhs in 30 seconds? The painter कहले, yes, ma'am, it is 30 lakhs in 30 seconds. Do you know, I have been doing practice since 30 years of my life. That's why I am charging 30 lakhs for 30 seconds. Exactly, my friends. Are you doing practice 1, 2, 3, 4 so that it can grow your values? Platinum value 14 lakhs. Found platinum 18 lakhs. Practicing emerald 30 lakhs. Found emerald 40 lakhs. Diamond beyond. Keep on practicing. 1 hour, 100 conversation. 1 hour, 100. That's my mindset. Till Crown Ambassador, I must do 100 conversation in my new group where it is required. That's why our 14th lakh has already broke 2,400 points. And 13 lakhs is more than 5,000 points. Because you see, our conversation, our rate of sponsoring, rate of attracting people will more. Because we have added a lot of values with us. You are our leaders. Don't wait to anybody. You fix it. 100 conversation minimum per month till I am a diamond. That should be the provisionary note for you. 1 hour on products, 100 beyond conversation. That conversation podiyo, kichhi besto bar nahi. That should be the mindset. 1 hour, 100. 1 hour, 100. Beyond 100. Ready? And you should change your thought process because you are going platinum. So platinum, by December, January, we are breaking 10,000 points. What is that 10,000 points? 10,000 points is a team. आमे सब पिला दिने क्रिकेट खेलुथिले वॉलीबॉल खेलु सॉरी फुटबॉल खेलुथिले हॉकी खेलुथिले. This is just like your football team. You are captain for that team and you must have 10 players who will play with you in the month of December breaking 10,000 points. Ebe taku net practice सब करेयाku पड़िबो. Do you know who are the players? Those players are BA5 players. 10 जन प्लेयर तुमको रेडी करेयाku पड़िबो जनवरी बेलू. Keep them ready. 10 players. You are the captain. Captain has a bigger role. You cannot escape. तो कहो भाई ना मो कैप्टन है ची मोर गोलकीपर सहित झगड़ा करलेनी अवस्था कोन हो. You cannot have the winning team. से गोलकीपर सहित झगड़ा लालो सब गोल से छाड़ दो फटफट. तमे एटा खटु धारे बापा. Have the best relationship at least the 10 players and get them prepared from today. Set their goals. How they will hit the BA5 by the December. That is the month of breaking your 10,000 points. Your role is captain. You have to play with the 10 players. Make them practice. BA5 players. BA5 players. They know the demo, they know everything. I want 10 players to win the game. Play to win. It is just like a football team, cricket team. Your role is captain. Those are going emerald. Your role is coach. My role is coach for new team. I have to prepare 10 captain. Those are breaking in that leg. So your role is team player, captain, and coach every day. Dynamics roles. Cannot escape. You might be telling, what is my role now? Your role is a team player, captain, and coach. Forget the coach. Now your goal is to be a captain. Play in the football team. You are the captain, 10 players. BA5 players. Congratulations. Again, BA5 because that BA5 goal is synchronizing with my goal. It is not core team. It is a BA5 team player with 100% pin. That's all. Then you can break 10,000 and never hold out. Simple. ପିଲାଦିନେ ବହୁତ ଖେଳିଛେ ଆମେ ଫୁଟବଲ ଖେଳିଛେ ପୁରା ନିଆଁ ଲଗେଇ ଦେଇଛେ କି ନାଇଁ ଏବେ ଟିକେ ପୁଣି ସେ ଜୋଶ ଆଣିବାକୁ ପଡିବ କ୍ୟାପ୍ଟେନ ଭଳି ମାରିକିରି ଫଟେଇ ଦେବି 10ଟା ଲୋକଙ୍କୁ ଧରି କ୍ୟାଚ୍ have that momentum. You are a captain. You are a leader leading the team. You are the role model. You are the setting example. And the captain has the whole responsibility to make the team winning one. As a team player, what is your role? Your biggest role, break your BA5 by 5th of every month. And how it is possible? Very good. A masere 30 tarikh jibo. Next masere 25 tarikh re BA5 break karibo. ଆଉ 5 ଦିନ ତମ ଟିମ୍ ରେ କାକୁ ହେଲ୍ପ କରିବ ତା ଗୋଲ ଉପରେ ଦେନ୍ ତା 20 କୁ ଆଣିବ ଆଉ 10 ଦିନ ପୁଣି କିଏ BA5 ଯାଇତା ତାକୁ ହେଲ୍ପ କରିବ ତାପରେ your BA5 is 15 help him your BA5 is 10 help him and your BA5 when you are hitting your BA5 structure is hitting by 5th of every month 25 days with you to help 10 players to become BA5 players. That's your goal. BA5 by 5th, BBA by 15th. You start counting your BA5 dates. That's the magic. When you put the date on BA5, magic starts. Magic starts. You see, I have tested it since 4 months. 4 months helani, I have seen in my 3 groups, people are breaking. जो है 25 तारीख रे ब्रेक करथले आमे ताऊ काम करिकरी ताऊ 10 तारीख भीतर सब ब्रेक करबा स्टार्ट कर देबो. And when they are growing down, ताकर leadership बड़ी जाउछन ता गोल सेट होची how they will go the BA5. So you need 10 players, just like a football team. Work like a captain. 5-3-2 P1 group रे 5 जण 3 जण 2 जण. That's the most important. Because the business is the only secret making 10,000 points. That's the profitability. जितने 10,000 points break करे वो ऊपर को जाएगी जितने ऊपर पिन रे it will be added your profit. That's the secret. ता विषय हम कहूनी ताले आजिर गोल है productive zone रे your focus is 1 hour per day in customer profile and 100 conversation every month. 555 रे जोटा को 5 calling per day, 5 STV per day, 5 getting started per day. It will happen when you focus the 100 conversation. Back to basics, back to basics, back to basics. Without basics, nobody can grow. This is the best time to do the basics. People are open-minded for the products, but what you are thinking, that's important. thoughts become thing. 1, 2, 3. 3 is your game plan and counseling. What game plan? You game plan yourself first. I always game plan myself. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I start game planning for those are going BFI, BBA. For new teams, and in other teams, those are going founder platinum, emerald, diamonds. That's all. ସବୁ level le ଚାଲିଛି କିନ୍ତୁ ତମ level ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ କ'ଣ ହେଇଗଲା you have the game plan for yourself 1 2 3 4 କେତେ plan ଦେଖେଇବି 100 callings ରୁ କେତେ ଆସିବ କୋଉଠି ଯିବ କ'ଣ ଯିବ it is all about fixing it. Then team ଭିତରେ କିଏ BFA ଯାଉଛି BBA ଯାଉଛି. That's my goal. Why? December I am breaking 10,000 points with 10 players. I am captain. 10 players. And they expert in play. BFI. ମୁଁ ଯାଉଛି 5 ରେ କିଏ ଯାଉଛି 7 ରେ କିଏ 10 ରେ କିଏ 12 ରେ କିଏ 15 ରେ କିଏ 18 ରେ 25 ତାରିଖ ବେଳକୁ 10,000 will complete. You see, we have the immense potential. But you direct it. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ core leader କହିଲେ BFI को ବୁଝେଇବ. So this month, next month we will have a BFI meeting in the Shravan Chand, our greater organization. We have a BFI meeting. Push them, build them BFI. As many as BFI must be there. Game plan very simple. 1 2 3 4. Then BFI जे जाउची ताको पुनी 1 2 3 4 से आसी गलानी. के BBA जाउची देखिबार अछि. I have to fix them and work for them. That's my game plan. आउ एते जीवार नाही पिन पॉइंट ये जाउची कोडी हेल्प दरकार थर्ड ग्रुप I always start thinking about the third group of my BFI player. आगे ता थर्ड ग्रुप मु 10 तारिख रु 12 तारिख भीतर सार दोची. You think in that direction. As a beyond BBI leaders, your goal is to by December, your role is captain, having 10 BFI players achieving at different dates. Finish 10,000 points. Can you tell me? बहुत question है भाई ना 15 रन नहीं कि खेलले कौन होगा मुझे किच्छ होनी सब डाइल्यूट हो जाएगा. Work with 10 people. फुटबॉल टीम डिजाइन नहीं जी 10 जन तू 15 टा कौन भर्ती करबी ता भीतर को नहीं कि एते प्रेम हो जे तू सरू 15 करबू के मना करला कारण इस 10 टा पॉइंट रे काम करला बेल को यू हैव टू फोकस इन 30 पॉइंट्स कारण जण जण बीएफए 3 टा पॉइंट्स रे मते फोकस होबे पड़ते. वर्क विथ 10 पीपल्स. लव एवरीबॉडी, नेवर काउंट एवरीबॉडी. दैट्स अ स्ट्रेटजी. वर्क विथ क्लास. Network strategy. That's I love everybody. Sorry, I never count everybody. Is a right person who is ready to pay the full price. I am ready to pay the price. That's your goal. 100 conversation will get 10 people. Don't worry. Master in game plan. ताको गोल सेटिंग रे मास्टर करेवार अछि. गोल सेटिंग रे तुमको डिसेंबर भीतर 10 जन को हिट करेवार अछि. एबे 2-4 जन थिबे प्रति मास रे जन जन करिकि तुम स्पीड बढ़ेवार अछि. गेम प्लान काउंसलिंग. There we will have the BFI leadership, have the system numbers, standard pack ता केमति होबो ता तलको प्रथम 299 pack केमति होबो, basic pack. You have to discuss. And you as a BBI player, you have to focus on your game plan. At least send 15 VCD or CD to the new players or your teammates. That's the mindset. Otherwise, a team is not growing. रात्रि 9टा परे तम पाखरे डायमंड पैक थिबो धड़ाधड़ 40-50 CD जीवार अछि. This is the way to connect the people, involve the people, engage the people, and they work with their mind. I am a leader. I have to. My goal is to every night, not up or at least my goal is to 30 जन लोकन बाबू पठाए. एबे भी पठौची 30 people. Those are going BFI, BBI. BFI रे standard pack रे अच्छी तो leadership pack रानियार अच्छी. You have to find the tools flow, game plan, counseling, the whole game of the game plan, how I am performing, and my team player is performing as a BFI and BBA player, to whom I focus and to whom I invest my time to grow. That's the area. Then, fourth, duplication. 1 habits, 1, 2, 3, 4. Dreams and goals, 953 BFI, the productive zone, and the game plan counseling. Fourth is duplication. That's the getting started. You have to have master in getting started for first 90 days. You evaluate it. First 30 days, say company vishare janijibar achi, Phaethon company, Phaethon business at different level like the income aschi, Phaethon clarity, use the product. That's the goal of first 90 days, 30 days. तापर मिनिमम 20 टा सीडी ता पाखु दिवार अछि टू होम यू स्टार्ट बिल्डिंग तमे जाको बीएफआई नबो डिसेंबर रे ता पाखु सेटिंग ता सीडी पहुंचीबार अछि दैट्स द मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट थिंग दैट्स द सीडी यू हैव टू काउंट देयर रेडी सो फर्स्ट 30 days you see the getting started has a mindset. What is your mindset when you do getting started with the people? Your mindset must be 6 new joining in 90 days. That's the mindset. And another 6 new joining in 180 days. Finish. mindset. Your mindset of getting started, at least in 90 days, I must have 6 people joining at the front line. Say like only basic locals to come kari. First 30 days, customer profile karebi, product knowledge devi, use sikhebi, tabako clarity devi, company vishare koibi, 20 to CD potebi, ticket boy tabasta podebi. And joining is my responsibility. Joining start immediately my goal is to teach him what is the attitude part of a sowing plan ta kain dekheba no to no kemti jibo and keep on sowing it is a pass formula you must learn conversation with people. Your experience is the best teacher. First 30 days. Second 30 days, doing the basics. Basics, name list, family list, 60 days, ready. So, 5-7 customer. And next 30 days, 9 core, 3 cardinals, 3 powers. Cardinals, the first 30 days, and national BIV, board in bed. As a leader, you have to organize how to people get started in 180 days. First 90 days, second 90 days. 180 days, you must have 12 sponsoring, out of which you will get 4 new. I mean, getting started course, Borsella during the hospital, beta sponsor Corona. Hey, she kept a corio. She collaborated Tara, faith political, which was very one. Very simple. You have to develop the. You see, in this area, we have to. What is getting started? Working faith on people. Only one equation it works. Dream multiply faith. It will give the motivation. Motivation to action. Action to result to success. We have to working on faith. Your faith, let him develop the faith on company. Give all the information. Company will share. So opportunity brochure portal digital ja portfolio portal. Then product use. Have faith on products. Central core product to faith building product to Arab. You know everything as a leader. Then se through kichi cost over tang loko kore deba chincha. So what has faith? The company is good. Products are good. People are taking the products. You got 30 days of believe. 60 days of believe kon kore the children join kore start kore. Are people are joining. People are joining. Meeting res ago the CD dele people are doing. They are successful. Last below तार आसियो, can I do it? You start giving the magical thing. Yes. हाँ मैं ना आंखों से आंख मिलाओ. You can do it. You see, basic never changed. Now you are converting to digitally, but the basic still there. So getting started, now you need to have more new people in your business. That's why I am emphatically suggest 100 conversation per month. That will create everything. 100 conversation per month. Today you just keep in your mind habits. It is for me. Success is in my daily routine. I am a champion every day. Second is dreams and goals. Working on dreams and goals. But focus point, platinum. August 21 point upare photo lagaibi. Sethu mo batan monthly goal taku anibi. Have the goal setting copy. That is my GPS. GPS is just like your goal setting. How you are going. Then third is 953 BIB. Productive zone is mindset ହେଇଗଲା କ'ଣ 1 to 2 hours in products and 100 callings. जोटा कि result दबो minimum more than 5 getting started. ଯଦି 5 getting started ଆସୁନି then my law of average I have to improve. That's କରିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ. But start moving. Then game plan counseling. It is for me and for my team. And the specific game plan counseling for my team is BFA and BBA achievers. Because my role is captain. I have to bring 10 players in one team to build it consistently. Third is duplication, getting started. And you know all the leadership, both jinse achi. So today, very relaxed hai ki jao. Be relaxed. Yes, I am a diamond. Today I can do it. Etiki point upare tame 1, 2, 3, 4 bhitere 5 bhitere jao. And you sit with her. The most important is game plan counseling. You sit with your mentor on fast for game plan, 7th, 14th, 21st, and 28th for counseling. So I believe in each and everyone. Everybody is going beyond platinum by August 21. Even though we start with BFI level from June. And you have the excellent leadership with you, you have the immense leaders with you, you just flock with them, we are always there. So I have been working on my vision, 25 is the biggest, so now this is the atomic bomb reaction, we will be growing big way. So your leaders are thinking everything for you, day in and day out. But take responsibility, take charge, take ownership. आज 3-4 points निवा आज तो बेसी किछि दमो ड्रैग करने आज I am emphasizing what is your activity productivity zone भितर रहबार अछि and working with the class BFI player न सहित काम कर and working on dreams. That is the 1, 2, 3, 4. That thing we have been doing since 20 years. And leadership quality, every quality is being developed step by step. And the most important quality to achieving a goal, priority and focus. So, if you goal ko priority dabo, focus dabo, any situation you can easily overcome. That is the beauty of this goal, priority and focus. Jette bada challenge asu, you can easily overcome because you have the priority and focus to your goal. By that time, you can have everything. So, I really feel proud for all your leadership. They have been working day in and day out for your success. Gyanranjan is not sleeping night. Se rati gotte beluku mate phone korchi. Bhai na kon kariba? Are mu kali you are going crown ambassador. I pray God you should grow beyond us. That is my prayer. And he is young growing team. So you see every leadership. Ame gotan jo stage re asche. Now we will have the atomic reaction. This is the effort of 20 years. आज यदि कहबा भाई ना मो 12 लाख पैकेज रे जाउची इट इज तम बैकग्राउंड देखियो इट इज प्रैक्टिस फॉर अनदर 5 years. आज यदि बहुत फाउंडर प्लैटिनम कहे भाई ना मु जाउची एमराल्ड जाउची 30 लाख yes you can go because you have been doing practice since 8 years 10 years why not practice makes your value of jayo so now we have to lead our life with corona but take charge of your life stay healthy take the precaution measures as declared by WHO and government of Odisha maintain the distance घरे बाहर सबुठी and use the mask and having the positive zone में काम करो take the immunity everything so this is the I want a promise from your side at least you should go platinum this year that is CEO start from BFI and I know when you take promise yourself nothing can stop you कारण मैं आज बहुत activity zone भीतर को नहीं जाइए because that is you versus yourself towards the journey कारण तमे डेली 100 जन सहित कन्वर्सेशन करिवो don't stop it always be basics it is not a pin it is all about activity so leadership is on action otherwise you will be the positional leader and we are feeling proud each and everyone in our team WRBT are going dimension August 25 definitely we will break the barrier because God is there. We have been praying. Everybody is praying because you are the unique. You are the miracle. You can do the miracle. I know it. Simply you need some organize yourself, tune your mindset and thought process. I think the mindset mindset is all about for action, keeping view in the end result. As the magic of thinking, what is my mindset? देखिदेली केते पेज एतिकी पेज अछि माइंडसेट कर देले अछि एटा 300 पेज वेरी गुड अछि 20 दिन माइंडसेट कर देली मासे करे सारी एंड रिजल्ट 300 पेज मासे करे सारी एक्शन किंतु आर प्रोडक्टिव जोन रे तमे मिनिमम घंटे 2 घंटा दियो so love you all god bless
thank you
very nice to talk each and everyone I visualizing we are in the Diamond Club in August 25 and every hour special flight from Bhubaneswar will be flying the different part of the world as a Diamond Club. God bless. Back to Gyano.
Thank you bhai. Thank you so much. It was a great session.
Awesome talk. Awesome talk. Really.
We can have the big time. Gyano,
Yes. Yes.
Thank you, bhai. It was a great session, bhai. Truly, I am speaking. It is a very demonstrating talk because it's a not and bold, it's a clear talk. Actually, really, we learn a lot of things. 6-7 page already I have been written, and truly, I am speaking because I have no words actually. It's a bottom line talk. I never heard before actually because.
This is the time you should have give the faith to each and everyone. Yes, you can go down.
Absolutely.
I started from PSI go to Arambakali. That is irrespective of the film.
This is a very bottom line talk.
Yeah.
Now we all follow 100%. Actually, really implement and truly will follow at 100% without any confusing. And thank you so much because you are given the valuable times and you are given the.
We are always there.
Lot of wisdoms.
We are always there. God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you.